Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Diener and I'm going to be your Algebra 1 teacher this year. I want to take this opportunity to have you watch a video and just kind of get to know myself, because whether you are virtual or in person this year with your Algebra 1 learning, all of our instruction and note-taking is going to be done in some form of virtual method. So this is just a chance to, one, get to know me a little bit, but also get to know the process on how to access these different videos. So just a little bit about myself. This is my 10th year of teaching and my 3rd year of teaching Algebra 1 here at Winnetonka High School. I am also the associate head football coach, and I also will coach after school weights in the winter and spring time. So if you're interested in any of those, obviously I'm a good person to get in contact with. I live in Blue Springs, Missouri with my wife, Paula, and she is working from home right now in these times and also raising our 3 kids, as our oldest is a virtual first grader in the Blue Springs School District, and we also have a 3-year-old daughter and a son that was just born in April of this last year. So she is very busy and very proud of what she can do, but that's just a little bit about my home life. Education-wise, I played football at Emporia State University and also William Jewell College, where I graduated in 2011. And I also graduated with my master's degree from the University of Concordia, Irvine in 2017. So I hope that you enjoy your virtual learning experience, or in-class and virtual learning experience this year, and continue on with the module. Thanks. Bye.